Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox Lenovo K8 Plus. So yeah, let's do it. So telling about mobile variant, it has two variant. One is 3 GB RAM and another one is 4 GB RAM, and both are having internal memory 32 GB. Yeah, let's open this one. So yeah, this is Lenovo K8 Plus. So if I'm telling about the specification, this has 2.5-inch screen and dual camera. So for 13 and 5 megapixel back camera and 8 megapixel front camera. So as we can see, it's Dolby Atmos environment, and it has fingerprint, and it has large battery, 4000 mAh battery also. So let's open the charger. So yeah, this is the adapter. So as normal Lenovo adapter, and it's coming with USB 2.5 micro USB cable. So yeah, so let's switch on this mobile. So as you can see in the screen, it has dual camera and Dolby Atmosphere and 5.2-inch Full HD display, 2.5 octa-core processor and fingerprint, and yeah, big battery, 4000 mAh battery. So yeah, let me remove the cover. So I will quickly set up the initial step of this mobile. So meantime, I will tell this specification more about this one. So it is MediaTek MT6757 Helio P25 chipset. So and 2.5 Cortex 853 octa-core processor, and so telling about that internal memory, so it's 32 GB for both 3 GB RAM and 4 GB RAM. So and it's micro USB 2.0. So yeah, so the it's non-movable battery, lithium battery. So 4000 mAh battery is there, and so it has dual tone flash, and it's coming with Android 7.11. So yeah, it will upgrade it to a Android 8 also. Yeah, this is mobile. So yeah, wallpaper, it's looking good, and so let me check brightness. Yeah, so touch and everything is very smooth. So let me open the settings. So as we can see, it's showing Android version 7.1.1. So telling about the mobile, it's released on 2017 September, and yeah, let me open the camera. Okay, so now I disable this location tag, and so yeah, so let me take one photo. Yeah, telling about the camera quality, it's very good, and